Hey there. Thanks for watching my Fearless review by Flair and his team, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page or show you the demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This Fearless review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into this dashboard myself, and I'm going to take you with me as I research this platform, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now let's see what Fearrless promises us. Yes, they get paid just for uploading ready-made sounds. Brand new $57 billion audio file loophole pays them $6.95 per minute for simply uploading ready-made sounds. No skills, no paid ads, no paid accounts, and no waiting to get paid. On the right, they tell us again that they get paid $6.95 per minute to upload audio files. There's a real-life case study, and there's no experience required. If we scroll down just a little bit more, they do tell us that every time they upload an audio file to one of the secret websites that almost no one knows about, they get paid between $6.95 and $29. Let's see. Here we are in the Fearless dashboard, and the minute I came in here, I realized I had seen this before. I did a review back in October for VidVoice, and I'll link that above if you want to take a look at that. There is no create video or videos in Fearrless, so this is simply the text-to-speech audio function. So I don't know why he's only giving you half of this product in here, but that does seem to be what he's doing. And it's actually more expensive, so stick with me and I'll go over pricing in just a few minutes. Usually I would go straight to training from here, but there is none in Fearrless. So first let's take a look at the text-to-speech function. You can select your language, and then you can choose a standard or AI voice, and then your voice options are down here. If we play this one, this male A voice doesn't work in Fearrless. And if we look at VidVoice, the male A voice doesn't work here either. So this is just the same platform with half the functions. If you did want to hear one of the voice, we'll look at male B.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts, and so much more.
So that sounds very robotic to me. Let's take some text and see what it sounds like. So I pasted some text in here. You can adjust the output volume, or you can adjust the speaking rate. I've tried these. These don't make the voices sound any less robotic. They still sound very robotic. Let's see what this one sounds like.
Affiliate marketing is a simple concept. You just promote other people's products. When they buy from your specific link, you make a commission of the sale.
That was on medium. Let's see if fast makes any difference.
Affiliate marketing is a simple concept. You just promote other people's products. When they buy from your specific link, you make a commission of the sale.
So it still sounds robotic, it just sounds faster. If you did want to download this audio file, you would simply click the Synthesize to File button, and then it shows up right underneath in your TTS files or your text-to-speech files, and this is the one we just made. From here, you can choose to play it or preview it again. You can view and delete it, or you can download it to your desktop. The next section they give you is Done For You Sounds. Fearrless tells you that these are royalty-free and you can use them for any reason. You can come in here and play it or download it, and that's all you can do in the Done For You section. Next, we'll go to Upload Sounds, and this is where you will find the secret websites that almost no one knows about. This is simply Pond5, Dreamstime, 123RF, and Fiverr. So they want you to take these files and sell them. If we take a look at Fiverr, I typed in a search for audio files, and there's over 2,600 people that you will be competing with. They have sections where buyers keep returning. They call out good vendors. They've got reviews. They've had jobs. They're not brand new. And there is nothing anywhere in Fearrless that tells you how to come into Fiverr and to actually set up your bio to get the maximum amount of sales. There is actually a strategy involved with that. And Fearrless does nothing but give you these buttons. And if we look at the prices they're charging, this one is $5, 10 minutes of video, and it's going to take 5 days. That is nowhere near $6.95 a minute. And the last thing on the Fearrless dashboard is going to be the upgrades and support. So with no training in here and going through these functions, what is the strategy that Fearrless is trying to get you to use? You can create an audio file with text to speech, or you can create an audio file with done-for-you sounds. And then Fearrless wants you to turn around and sell them on one of these 4 freelancing sites to make money. What are my problems with Fearrless? Well, if you bought VidVoice, you already have Fearrless, and that came out just last month. There is no training whatsoever in this platform. There's no discussion of setting up your freelancing bio on any of these accounts to compete with the kind of traffic that you will find on these platforms. And if you really need a free text-to-speech software, you can do a simple Google search. And if you scroll down to the questions section where people also ask, you can find lists like these. I would go for the ones that are repeated, like natural reader or natural reader. Natural reader's down here again. There is text-to-speech, it's free. This is just a simple Google search, and you can find all kinds of options. Same thing for free audio sounds. There are all kinds of places you can get free audio files if this is something that you want to do. So you certainly wouldn't need Fearrless to do it. We take a look at the pricing. Here on Munchai is Fearrless, and you can see Art Flair has been launching and releasing products since January of 2015. This is how he makes his money. He releases and launches these products over and over again. He doesn't actually use them to make money. On Munchai, Fearrless is $17, but if we look at this pricing funnel, the front end is actually $888. It has a total of 8 upsells, and this funnel is actually going to run you $581. However, I did find another pricing structure. All of these are different, and this actually has 9 upsells, and the price on this one is going to be $708. So whether Fearrless is going to cost you $581 or $708, what they told you on the sales page about an audio file loophole and simply uploading sounds to make money is not what this product does. It is simply selling audio files as a freelancer with absolutely no training whatsoever. There is also nothing brand new about it. It looks just like VidVoice, which came out in October of this year, except it has half the functions and is twice the price. Please don't waste your time, your energy, or your money on Fearrless. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I really hope this Fearrless review answered all of your questions. If you still have questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching!